And welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Investigators are said to be making progress in identifying the men involved in a deadly robbery which saw an off-duty policeman killed in his vehicle Friday night. The incident happened at the Texaco gas station on East Avenue off Beechwood Avenue in St. Andrew. It was captured on CCTV. It's 10:53 Friday night. This robbery is at the Texaco gas station on East Avenue, just off Beechwood Avenue in St. Andrew. The white Mitsubishi SUV that comes into frame is being driven by an off-duty policeman. The gunman approaches him.
Watch him, man.
The boy that walking with him and clean as day that you don't see that.
We froze on what follows immediately after. The corporal, 47-year-old Christopher Smith, was shot several times in the upper body. His service pistol was stolen. The pump attendants were robbed of cash by the man who killed the policeman. The cashier inside the minimart was held up and robbed by another two. One of the robbers stood on lookout while the other waited inside the getaway car, a Toyota Wish. The 5 men escaped with an undetermined sum. The police corporal was assisted to hospital by members of the public. He died while undergoing treatment. Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps is head of the Kingston Western Police Division where Corporal Smith worked.
We mourn the passing of a true hero. And I must tell you that words cannot describe how we are feeling at this time. This senseless tragedy reminds us, though, of the dangers that our officers face daily. And I consider it an attack on the security forces.
Residents have said the incident last night is nothing less than traumatic. Staff we've spoken to have told us they would rather not be at work today. The police, in the meantime, continue their investigations. A senior investigator told our newsroom that the cops have identified some of the suspects and are now reviewing CCTV footage of the incident.